Hello friends, this is the video for those who love pink color and pink lipsticks. Wanna see my collection? I have more than 25 pink lipstick shades. Is it healthy to have this much pink lipsticks? I don't think so. I need more pink colors. These are not enough. These are certainly not enough. Oh my god. Wanna see my pink colors collection? Then this is the video for you, so let's go. Okay friends, let's begin. Well, the first lipstick I want to try, I have this Color Studio Lavender Rose. I don't know if you guys can see or not. The formula बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत creamy है. I'm gonna go with this Huda Beauty matte lipsticks. What do you think, guys? I think it's a nice one. Next, I'm going to use this light pink outline. ये YCL की है, 18 इसका नंबर है. Very beautiful done. This color is amazing. Really done. Next I have this Rivage Color Art pink lipstick. And for this I am gonna go with Medora Glitter. By the way, मैंने इसको two tone किया हुआ है. That's why ये यहाँ से red और यहाँ से pink है. If you want to check out how to do this, then you can. I have a video on it. You can definitely check that. I like it. It's a nice color. I still have the glitter from the last lipstick. I can't help it. Next, what I have is this. इसका Lakme और इसका number है 122. इसका बहुत nude सा color है. Crystalline की lipstick and almost done. I do need a new one और इसका number है 175. कुछ ज़्यादा ही मैट है और इस टॉप पे मेरे पास एक पिंक कलर का टॉपर भी है. ये ब्यूटी एवरीवेयर की लिपस्टिक है और इसका कलर है 1. बहुत ही न्यूड सा पिंक कलर. Dark purple pink. I am gonna use this pink. दराज पे आप लोगों ने एक लिपस्टिक देखी होगी पिंक के नाम से, मेडोरा की. This is that lipstick. It's so pigmented. Have to be very careful with it. क्योंकि इसका स्टेन जल्दी जाता नहीं है. What do you think? Okay, next what I'm going to use is this slightly light pink color studio lipstick. और इसका कलर है 04. Within, I am going to use L'Oreal. This is L06. It's very creamy. और ये कलर इतने यूनिक है that Medora में कम से कम आपको ये कलर नहीं मिलेगा. On top of it, I have this चिक्स लिपस्टिक और इसका शेड है O5D और ये स्लाइटली इरिडेसेंट है, इसमें ग्लिटर पार्टिकल्स हैं, so it's a shimmery kind of one. So it goes very well with it. I don't know if it's showing in the right color or not, but it is a pink color, but it does not go with my eyeshadow, so I'm gonna wipe it off. Okay, the next color I have left is this beautiful rose butterfly और इसका कलर है 247. It's so beautiful that I don't even need a pencil with it. Next, what I have left is this MAC lip pencil, or it is with aloe vera and vitamin E. इसका number है, I think the number is got erased, so you just have to wear the color. And on top of it, I'm going with this Doodoo House Lover Telephone Booth. It's very beautiful nude. Pink lipstick. I like it. One more lipstick. This is Golden Beauty. This is Golden Beauty color. Iska number है 33. And this is the nudist pink color. What I like to do is to apply on the middle of the lips, just to get that ombre effect. The second L'Oreal lipstick is this, a bit of on a burgundy side, on a purple side. Next, I have this L'Oreal L21. And on top of it, I have this Miss Rose in a color 14. और ये glittery सी pink lipstick है. And I think we got a winner. Now comes the liquid lipsticks. Okay, I have to admit I don't have much liquid lipsticks. I just have all the basic pink colors. First, I'm gonna use this Axel Paris. Next, I have this Lady Queen lip gloss. This is a nude color. I think every one of you have seen these in the market. It's locally easily available. It's called Rivage QK Crystal and Quick Dry Lipstick. Next, I have this lip gloss, and it is 03, and it's a very thick neon pink kind of color. So what I'm going to do is just slightly, because this lipstick, Rivage lipstick, is quite drying. That's it for today. Hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching.